Hi friends, and a warm welcome to the new subscribers. As many of you know, cooking sweet potatoes is not a mystery, but I wanted to pair two cultures for you, the Caribbean culture and the European culture. So I am gonna use ingredients that Cubans and Puerto Ricans use for the sweet potatoes, and the sauce is something that the Spanish and the French eat. And the combination of the two is super yummy, so stay tuned. I started peeling the sweet potatoes. You don't have to, but I didn't like the skin on that one, so I composted it. And I'm julienning the potato. I don't know if that's a word in English, but I'm cutting into strips. Don't cut them too thin because they will lose volume once you cook them. Then add the cornstarch and cover them well. That's gonna make them crispier on the outside. That's why I'm doing that. In almost all grocery stores, there's a Latin food section. There you're going to look for sazon. That's what we call a rub in English. The box has about 8 packages depending on the brand. And it comes in different flavors. I am using the one with dried tomatoes, garlic, and cilantro. I was forgetting the cilantro, and I am adding onion powder to it, and I will mix it well before I add the olive oil or your preferred oil. You can put any oil you want. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up so other people can find it on YouTube, and please share it with your friends if you like. That mix is gonna attach itself to the sweet potato, and it is gonna give it a ton of flavor. It doesn't look like it is enough, but trust me, it is plenty. Oh, don't add salt. The rub already has some salt. Once it is well coated, I'm gonna put it in the preheated air fryer basket. But before, I'm gonna spray it with olive oil and add a little more to the potatoes once inside. And we're gonna cook it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow them to cook for 12 minutes, turning them once the clock hits 6 minutes. My air fryer is very small, so I cook them in 2 batches, but that gave me time to make the cheese sauce. You can make it ahead of time, by the way. The sauce has only 3 ingredients. It's super easy. It has chopped walnuts, vegetable broth, and blue cheese. The flavors in the sauce pair very well with the sweetness of the fries, trust me. However, if blue cheese is not your friend, you can use any melting cheese that you like. The concept is the same. And that's the blue cheese. There are tons of different blue cheeses out there. That's your vegetable broth. You're not gonna use all of it. You're gonna melt the cheese. As it melts, add the walnuts. When it is almost melted, add the vegetable broth and bring it to a boil. Let it reduce a little and remove from the saucepan. The sauce is going to look very liquid, but it will turn into a deep type of dressing once it cools down. So don't worry about that. And the fries are ready. They're super delicious. And I need to put the sauce there to cool down a little. And they turn out pretty good. Love them. And that's why you wear an apron, people.